Good morning children, welcome to our class. Today we are going to discuss about our first chapter knowing our numbers. In previous class we discussed about place values, expanded form, successor of a number and predecessor of a number, face value of a digit. This class we are going to discuss about comparison of numbers, ascending order and descending order. First we are going to learn about comparison of numbers. How to compare the numbers? How we can compare the numbers? There are two methods are there to compare the numbers. One is, for example, one is 2456, 8576. Now in these two, which is the greater one, how we can compare? First, we have to count the number of digits in each number. Here in the first number having 4 number of digits and second number having 4 number of digits. Two numbers containing equal number of digits. When two numbers containing equal number of digits, we have to check their leftmost places. Here what are the leftmost places? In the first number is 2 and the second number is 8. Now in these two, which is the big number? 8 is the big number. So 8576 is the greater number. We can compare using the symbols 2456. 8576. In this 8576 is greater one. We have to use this symbol. This symbol is called less than. This symbol is called less than symbol. It is less than symbol. Now how 2456 is less than 8576. Next, one more example. 4892, 1256. Now in these two, which is the greater number? Here also these two numbers containing same number of digits. When two numbers containing same number of digits, what we have to do next? We have to check their leftmost places. Here what are the leftmost places? Here first number is 4. Next number, here first number is 1. Now in these two, which is the big number? 4 is the big number. So 4892 is greater than 1256. What is the greater than symbol? This is the greater than symbol. The symbol for it is greater than. Now 4892 is greater than 1256. Next one is 1,24,985, 28,937. Now in these two, which is the greater number? Here first we have to write their number of digits. This number containing 6 number of digits and this number containing 5 number of digits. Now in these two, which number is containing more number of digits? That is the greater number. Here 1,24,985 is containing 6 number of digits. So 1,24,985 is greater number. How we can write this one? 1,24,985 is greater than 28,937. Next one is ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order means we have to write the numbers from smallest number to greatest number. We have to arrange the numbers from smallest number to greatest number. That is called, the numbers are in ascending order. Smallest number to greatest number. We have to arrange the numbers from smallest number to greatest number. Then we are saying that numbers are in ascending order. For example, 8,256, 489, 12,932, 5,671, 200, 47. Now we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Before we are going to arrange these numbers in ascending order, we have to write each number containing how many number of digits. Here this number is containing 4 number of digits, 4. It is containing 3 digits, 3. It is containing 5. Here it is containing 4. Here it is containing 3. Now we have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. We have to write smallest number to greatest number. Then which is the smallest number? How we can identify which number is containing less number of digits? That is the smallest number. Here these two numbers are containing 3 digits. Now in these two, which is the smallest one, we have to check. How we have to check two numbers having same number of digits? We have to check their leftmost places. Here first number is 4. Here first number is 2. Now in these two, which is the smallest one? 4 or 2? 2 is the smallest one. So we have to write first 247. Next number is 489. Next, 3 digits having numbers complete. Next we have to check the 4 number of digits. 4 digits having numbers, 2 is there. Now in this also same way, we have to check their leftmost places. Here first number is 8. Here first number is 5. Now in these two, which is the smallest one? 5671 is smallest one. So first we have to write 5671. Next 8256. Next only one number is there having 5 digits. That number we have to write as it is 12932. Next one is descending order. Descending order. We have to arrange the numbers from greatest number to smallest number. In descending order, we have to arrange the numbers from greatest number to smallest number. Greatest number to smallest number. For example, 42,936, 8,951, 86,984, 248, 7,236. We have to arrange these numbers in descending order. While we are arranging them in descending order, we have to arrange the numbers from greatest number to smallest number. How? Before we are going to write the greatest number to smallest number, first we have to write each number containing how many number of digits. Here first number containing 5 digits, second one 4, 5, 3, 4. While we are writing in descending order, we have to write the greatest number to smallest number. How we can find here which is the greatest number? Which number is containing more number of digits? That is the greatest number. Here bigger number is 5. Then 5 number of digits containing numbers are 2 here. Then in the 2, which is the greater one, we have to check. While same number of digits having numbers, we have to check their leftmost places. Here first number is 8. Here first number is 4. In these two, which is the big number? 8 is the big number. So 86,984 is the big number. Next one is 42,936. Next these two numbers containing 4 number of digits. In these two, which is the greater one? Same. We have to check their leftmost places. Here first number is 8. Here first number is 7. In these two, which is the big number? 8 is the big number. So we have to write 8,951. Next we have to write 7,236. And last number is only one number that is containing 3 number of digits. That is 248. Okay children, before we learn comparison of numbers, ascending order and descending order, now we will practice some problems on this. First one is put appropriate symbol less than, this is symbol less than symbol or greater than in the space given. Put appropriate symbol less than or greater than in the space given. Now the first one 3,854. dash 15,200. Now in these two, which is the bigger number, we have to write. Here this number, what we have to do? Before we find the bigger number, first we have to check the number of digits. Each number containing number of digits. Here first number containing 4 number of digits, it is 4. Second number containing 5 number of digits. Now in these two, which is the big number, which number is containing more number of digits? That is the bigger number. Now 15,200 is the bigger number. We have to use that symbol less than. This is less than symbol. Now that means 3,854 is less than 15,200. Next one, 4,895 dash 4,864. Same here also, first we have to write the number of digits. Here this number containing 4 digits and this number containing 4 digits. When two numbers containing equal number of digits, what we have to do? We have to check their leftmost places. Here first leftmost place number is here 4, here 4. Both are equal. Next we have to check their leftmost place right number. That means second number. Here what is the second number? 8. Here also 8 is there. Both are equal. Next we have to check the next number. Here the next number is 9. Here it is 6. Now 9, 6. Here both are different. Now in these two, which is the big number? 9 is the big number. So 4,895 is the greater. Now we have to use here greater than symbol. This is greater than symbol. That means this is the big number. We have to use greater than symbol. 4,895 is greater than 4,864. Next one, same. We have to write the digits. Here this number containing 5 number of digits and this number containing 5 number of digits. In these two, having same number of digits, we have to check their leftmost places. Here first number, we have checked both containing 9. Next number we have to check both containing 9 again. Next number we have to check both containing 4. Next number we have to check, here it is containing 4, here it is containing 4. Sorry, here it is containing 5, here it is containing 4. Now in these two, which is the big number? 5 having number is the big number. So 99,454 is the big number. We have to use here also greater than symbol. 99,454 is greater than 99,445. Next one, write the numbers in ascending order. What is the question here? Write the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means we have to write the numbers from smallest number to greatest number. We have to write the numbers from smallest number to greatest number. Now, first while we are writing the smallest number to greatest number, first we have to write the number of digits. Here first number containing 3 digits, next one containing 4, next one containing 5, next one containing 4. Which number is containing less number of digits? That is the smallest number. Here which number containing less number of digits? 375 having only 3 digits. Then we have to write 375 first. Next one 4. Next number is 4 numbers. 4 number of digits having numbers, these two. Now in these two, which is the smallest one? We have to check their leftmost places. Here first number is 1. Here first number is 4. Now in these two, what is the smallest number? 1 is the smallest number. Then we have to write 1,475. Next 4,713. Next only one number is containing 5 digits. Then we have to write that number as it is 15,951. Next one, same here also, first we have to write the number of digits. This number containing 4, here containing 5, 5, 5. Now in this, which number is containing less number of digits? 9,347. Only one number is containing with 4 digits. Now we have to write that number 9,347. Next, remaining these 3 numbers are containing 5 digits. Now we have to check their leftmost places. Here first number is 1, here 2, here 1. Now in these 3, which is the smallest one? 1. But 1 having 2 numbers is there. Now we have to check their next number. Here it is 9, here it is 2. Now in these 2, which is the smallest one? 2 is the smallest. Then we have to write next 12,300. Next 19,035. And the next number is 22,570. Next, write the numbers in descending order. Descending means greater number to smallest number. Descending means greater number to smallest number. Same here also. First we have to write the number of digits containing each number. Here first number, this one containing 4 digits, and here it is containing 5. Here it is containing 5. Here it is containing 5. Now here which number is containing more number of digits, that is we have to write first. But here 3 numbers are containing 5 digits. Now we have to check their leftmost places. In this 3, which is the big number? First number here 8, here 4, here 8 is there. Big number is 8. But 8 having numbers, how many is here? 2 is here. In this 89,750, 89,254. Next we have to check the next number. Here 9, here also 9. Both are equal. Next number here 7, here 2. Now which is the big number? 7 or 2? 7 is the big number. So we have to write 89,715. Next number is 89,254. Next number is 45,321. Next one number is containing with 4 digits, that is 1,876. Next, same here also. First we have to write the each number containing how many number of digits. Here it is 4, 4, 4, 5. Now only one number is there with 5 digits, then that is the greatest number, 18,500. Next, remaining 3 digits, 3 numbers containing with 4 digits. Now in this we have to check their leftmost places. Here 3, 8, 3. Now in this, which is the biggest one? 8 is the biggest one. Then we have to write 8,700. Next, 3,900 and 3,000 is there. These two having first numbers are equal. We have to check their next place. Here it is 0, here it is 9. Which is the big number, 0 or 9? 9 is the big number. Then we have to write 3,900. Next, 3,000.